Hi learners! In today's video, you will learn how to find the center of dilation and the scale factor during a dilation on a coordinate plane. The process of obtaining both is demonstrated in details so that you will be able to apply these learnings in answering application problems on the topic. It also shows how the scale factor is used in determining the coordinate of an image point during a dilation. Strategies in analyzing and solving word problems related to the topic are showcased to let you gain an understanding on how these are done so that you will be able to successfully answer geometry problems similar to these in the future. If your lesson is on dilation, or if you have an assignment on this topic, or if you are preparing for a test in math, or a test in geometry in particular, or you're someone who is interested in learning math, then this video is for you. Recall that on the previous video lesson, dilation is described as a transformation that produces an image that is of the same shape but not of the same size as the pre-image. Hence, the two are similar. It was also discussed on the same video that any description on dilation must include both the center of dilation and the scale factor, for these two comprise dilation itself. The center of dilation is where dilation occurs, and scale factor K is the ratio of the image over the pre-image. That is, K is equal to image over the pre-image. For a detailed discussion on the center of dilation and the scale factor, watch the video lesson on dilation and its properties. The link is down below. On this video lesson, we will find both the center of dilation and the scale factor during a dilation on a coordinate plane. Okay, so let us look at the first sample problem so you will know how this is done. Let's go. Sample problem 1, here is the problem. In the coordinate plane, quadrilateral EFGH has vertices E11, F91, G97, H17. Quadrilateral RSTU is shown in the coordinate plane below. What are the scale factor and the center of dilation that map quadrilateral EFGH onto quadrilateral RSTU? Option A, scale factor 1/2, center of dilation 0, 0. Option B, scale factor 1/2, center of dilation 1, 1. Option C, scale factor 2, center of dilation 0, 0. Option D, scale factor 2, center of dilation 1, 1. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we're looking for. What are asked in the problem, learners? You're right. There are two things that we're to find here. First, we're to find the scale factor, and second, the center of dilation that map quadrilateral EFGH onto quadrilateral RSTU. What are given? We're given the coordinates of quadrilateral EFGH and the figure of quadrilateral RSTU on the coordinate plane. Now, learners, after reading the problem, were you able to identify which one is the image and which one is the pre-image? Again, the problem statement will help you here. Let us look at the problem again. Okay, so the phrase highlighted in yellow tells us that quadrilateral EFGH is the pre-image. Do you agree? The phrase highlighted in green is the image, the outcome. Were you able to identify the two correctly? Okay, so let us then plot and connect the points for quadrilateral EFGH. Now, we can get the scale factor by using a pair of corresponding sides of quadrilateral EFGH and quadrilateral RSTU. We will choose a pair. Which one would you like to use? Okay, we will use a pair of vertical sides, side ST and side FG. We will get their lengths. Let's go. For side ST, we count 1, 2, 3. Side ST 3 units. For side FG, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Side FG is 6 units. Now, we can get the scale factor K by using this formula, where K is equal to the side length of the image over side length of the pre-image. Plugging in the values we got earlier, K is equal to 3 over 6. And this is equal to 1/2. There you are, learners. The scale factor K is 1/2. We will now determine the center of dilation. Recall the property of dilation, which says that corresponding points remain on the same lines that meet at the center of dilation. We now connect corresponding points U and H, T and G, and S and F. Let's go. Learners, do you see where the lines meet? There you are. We found the center of dilation. It is at 1, 1. So, what is our answer? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Okay, so the answer is option B. That was easy. Let us do sample problem 2. Here is the problem. Under a dilation, the image of M having the coordinates of -2, -4 is M prime with coordinates -4, -8. What are the coordinates of N prime, the image of N having the coordinates of 4, -1 under the same dilation, and what is the center of dilation? Here are the options for the coordinates of N prime and the center of dilation. Option A, N prime, 6, -1. Center of dilation, 1, -1. Option B, N prime, 6, -1. Center of dilation, 0, 0. Option C, N prime, 8, -2. Center of dilation, 1, -1. And option D, N prime, 8, -2. Center of dilation, 0, 0. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we're looking for. What are asked in the problem, learners? You are right. There are two things that we are to determine here. We're to find two things here. First, the coordinates of N prime, the image, and second, the center of dilation of the image and the pre-image. What are given? We're given the coordinates of M, which are -2, -4, M prime, which are -4, -8, and N, which are 4, -1. Okay, so we will first find the coordinates of N prime, the image of N. To do this, we first need to get the scale factor of the dilation. Take note that the scale factor is the ratio of the image over the pre-image. Here, we're given the coordinates. So we will make use of the coordinates. We will use the coordinates of the corresponding points M and M prime since these are given. We can use either the x coordinates or the y coordinates of the corresponding points in getting the scale factor. We will use the x coordinates. Using the x coordinate of m, which is -2, and the x coordinate of m prime, which is -4, we have k is equal to -4 over -2. Dividing the numbers gives us k equals 2. Take note that you can also use the y coordinates here. You can try it and you will see that you will get the same result. So the scale factor k is 2. Now to find the coordinates of n prime, all that we need to do is to multiply each coordinate of n, which are 4 and -1, with the scale factor of 2. Let's go. For the x coordinate of n prime, 4 times 2 equals 8. For the y coordinate of n prime, -1 times 2 equals -2. So the coordinates of n prime are 8, -2. There you are, learners. I hope you were able to follow. We will now plot the points on the coordinate plane for us to see where these segments are. Next, we connect the points to form segments MN and M prime N prime. Look at the figure, learners. We clearly see the corresponding points. Recall the property of dilation, which says that the corresponding points remain on the same lines that meet at the center of dilation. So we locate the center of dilation by connecting these corresponding points. Let's go. Bingo! We found the center of dilation. It is at 0, 0. What is our answer here? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Okay, so the answer is option D. There you are, learners. I hope you acquired lots of learnings in today's video. Let us summarize what we have learned in today's video. We have learned that, first, dilation is a transformation that produces an image that is of the same shape but not of the same size as the pre-image. Hence, the two are similar. Second, any description on dilation must include the center of dilation and the scale factor, for the center of dilation is where dilation occurs, and the scale factor k describes the ratio of the image over the pre-image. Third, the formula for the scale factor k is equal to image over the pre-image, where the image and the pre-image may be represented by the corresponding x coordinates or y coordinates when corresponding points are given. Fourth, an unknown image point can be obtained by multiplying the scale factor of the same dilation to the x and y coordinates of the pre-image point. Fifth, the center of dilation is where the lines connecting the corresponding points of the pre-image and the image meet. Sixth, when solving a problem, you must read it and may read it several times when needed to know what you're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what you are looking for. Seventh, when a figure is given, make use of it and modify when needed. It is there to help you analyze and solve the problem. There you are, learners. Hope this video helps. That's it for now. If you have any question, leave a comment below and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your peers so others will learn too. Bye!